Hello everybody. In this video, I will show you how to create your first floor plan in Revit from scratch. If you are a complete beginner, this is the perfect place to start. So let's start. I will go to New in Model category. Then you will find here two options. First is Project, second is Project Template. Basically, the project template is the predefined settings for any project. So I will select the project in template file. I will select metric units, then hit OK. This is Revit project interface. Let's start with adding walls as they are the main component of our project. To add walls, I will go to Architecture tab. I will select walls. In the draw panel, you can see the various shapes. I will select the rectangle one and I will just draw. Now I need to make the partition walls. To make the partitions wall, I will select this line tool. Our walls are ready. Let's start with adding doors. To add the doors, I will go to Architecture tab. I will select the door. You can select your desirable door type from the drop down. I will select this one and you can just simply click here. Again, to add the another type, I will go to drag down, select this one, just place it here. To change its orientation, you can just simply click the door. You can click on these arrows, and to flip this door, you can click on these arrows. To add windows, I will go to Architecture tab. I will select window. I will select the perfect type. Then I will just add it. Let's see our model in 3D. To go to 3D view, just click on this home icon. Here is our 3D view. The walls are slightly higher in height. To fix them, I will go to any elevation. I will select all of these walls. I will change its top constraint to level 2. Now you can see our basic model is ready with wall, doors and windows. In the next video, I will show you how to add floors and roof. Subscribe if you want to learn Revit step by step. Thank you.